Here is the shocker. Over 3 million low-income homeowners are living in homes that need serious repairs. Yet most don't even know which program, either city or HUD, can actually help. Let's break the confusion. Hey, what's up, good people? I'm Inspector Q with Pro Inspect Solutions. And if your home needs major repairs, but your wallet disagrees, then today's video is your blueprint. We're diving into the two most talked about home repair lifelines: local city repair programs and HUD federal repair assistance programs. Both can help, but they're not created equal. From roof replacements to fixing dangerous wiring, knowing which one works best for you and your situation can save you time, money, and stress. Let's get into it. Here's what we see way too often. Homeowners qualify for help, but don't apply. Others apply, but get denied for technical reasons. And a lot just don't even know that these programs exist. Some key challenges include lack of awareness. Most cities don't advertise these programs well. Funding runs out fast. Some grants open once a year and close within weeks. Red tape and strict eligibility. Income limits, ownership proof, property taxes, all must be aligned. But understanding the pros and the cons of each gives you a fighting chance. Local city repair programs are usually funded through state or federal grants passed down to city or county housing departments. Focus on community-level rehab efforts, especially designated revitalization zones, which help with repairs like roofs, electrical, plumbing, ADA accessibility. So here are some of the pros. Often easier to quick responses, may cover full costs if you qualify, often partner with local contractors and inspectors. Here are some of the cons. Limited funding windows, sometimes only available in certain neighborhoods. Application deadlines or timelines vary wildly. Now, the HUD home repair programs nationwide. You get nationwide assistance from the Department of Housing and Urban Development, which includes programs like Section 504 Home Repair Program via USDA. You also have FHA 203K rehab loans. Home investment partnerships programs are as well. Here's some of the pros. More consistent across the country. Long-term support. Some offer deferred loans or forgivable options. Also, this provides more robust guidance. Here are some cons. Often loan-based, you may have to repay this back. You also have more paperwork, which may require working with HUD certified contractors or HUD consultants. Here's a pro tip. Some homeowners can combine both: a local city grant for immediate needs and a HUD loan for major renovations. That's a power play. So what's better? Well, it depends. If you're low income, elderly, or disabled and need basic repairs fast, local city programs often offer grants or forgivable loans and work quicker. If your home needs major renovations and you're financially stable enough to take a low interest loan, HUD programs like the 203K rehab loan or Section 504 are your best bet. But here's the deal breaker. Most success comes when you start with a professional inspection. That's where we come in, Pro Inspect Solutions, that can provide a full report to submit with your application, making your case stronger and more specific. So let's sum it up. Local city programs equal faster, smaller repairs, great for emergency fixes. HUD programs equal bigger budgets, more oversight, good for long-term upgrades. Always check your eligibility and deadlines. Use a licensed inspection report to strengthen your application. Ask if you can combine the programs. It's not always advertised, but it is possible. Your home shouldn't stay broken because of bureaucracy. Know the system, play it smart. If you use either of these programs or hit a wall trying, drop your experience in the comments and check our next video out. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe because safer homes aren't just a dream, they're a plan.